Good morning. We're now in Kaohsiung. I think I'm saying that wrong. I don't know. So today is October 3rd. It's a Thursday, and we got up very early and we got on a train, a high-speed rail from Taipei to Kaohsiung. And in order to buy those tickets, you actually just go to a 7-Eleven. We got someone that spoke English and he did it for us, asking if we wanted a return trip, what time we want to leave, etc. It was super easy, and we've just arrived. It's only about a 2-hour train ride, and it's inexpensive. I think it costs us $60 for round-trip tickets, and we're just on our way to find our hotel. So right now we're just visiting the Lotus Pond. It has a couple temples, some cafes, food and stuff, and we're gonna take a walk around. This is the entrance, and it's just like forest. We're hoping to go the right way so we can see some water. This might be happening later. Stay tuned to find out. What's this called again? Lotus Pond.
Lotus Pond.
Just got to the dragon and tiger pagodas. So they're two pagodas together, and it's traditional and lucky to go into the dragon's mouth and then out through the tiger's mouth. So you can go all the way up with these pagodas, and the entrance is here.
Oh, but look, we got tigers on the
Ben, I hear it's lucky to kiss the tiger's ass.
Yeah? Let's go try it.
There's lots to see in the Lotus Pond. How is it? Do you feel lucky?
Yep.
So along this strip, there's a bunch of temples on the opposite side of the street, and we went into one, and we accidentally went into the entrance that I guess we didn't know there was an entrance. We stepped over something. And when we left, we realized everyone's shoes was on the floor before you enter the temple, and we should have taken off shoes. So one thing I've noticed is like there's not much signage of what you're going into, and if there is, it's all in Chinese. So suggest doing research. We did not do enough research.
at some beach in the south of Kaohsiung. Beautiful. I'm in my undies right now because I got nothing better to do, or better to wear rather. And we're kind of hijacking this resort. I don't think we're allowed to be here, but it's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Too chicken shit, walk with me. I'm gonna go explore some old abandoned World War II monuments on this beach. I just went there, but it was a little bit too creepy for me. It was all abandoned and really dark and damp. So I'm gonna walk to this island instead. Fucking absolute beauty out here, you know? Can't even believe it. Look at this. Beautiful.
So today we went to the Lotus Pond, we went around, and then we found a restaurant. We sat down at like 12 o'clock after visiting all those temples. And we decided, you know what, we've done a lot of traveling, a lot of walking, and let's try and find a beach. So we found a beach about 20 minutes away from that area. And the beach was empty. So we spent a couple hours there, stayed in the water. The water was so warm. And then it started getting really dark. And we're thinking it's probably gonna storm. So
wow.
Go again. Okay, do it again. Again. Wait, ready? Ready? Why can't I see it? Probably beef. Or like Juro pork.
我要鸡肉。
猪肉要不要有蛋？
什么
？egg 就好，一个蛋黄。
对对
one
一个。
OK，
谢谢。
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 需要这个吗？袋子？
我要。
好，没问题。20，Thank you。
谢谢你。
拜拜。
我。
Do the first taste test. So it's pork and egg, right?
Pork and egg.
So this is a baozi. It's huge. Normally baozis are like half that size. Go. Smells good.
Tastes like meatloaf. It's egg, pork, and like a Chinese bread. It's like super gummy.
Morning, it's Friday morning at 10 o'clock and it's I think the 4th of October and we just arrived at the Kaohsiung, Kaohsiung, we've been saying it wrong, zoo, and we got out of the taxi with like a McDonald's sandwich, and these monkeys like swarmed us, so I threw my McDonald's sandwich at them, and Ben had to swallow his sandwich real quick, and they took my coffee.
They're not very friendly from what we hear, so. Oh, they scare the shit out of me, I'm not gonna lie.
Crazy.
Look at him wrapping himself with a flag. There's so many of them. Oh, and they scrap, eh?
So we just entered the zoo. It's about 40 Taiwan dollars per person, per adult, to go into the zoo. If you're a student and you have a student card, you can get, I think, half off. So it's not too bad. It's quite cheap. Don't bring food, but it's really beautiful.
I like the monkey on the bottom.